it is the degree of the polynomial with one variable is the largest exponent of that variable. Fine. The degree of the polynomial with one variable is the largest exponent of that variable. यानी उस पॉलिनॉमियल में जो सबसे बड़ी पार वाला वेरिएबल है वही उसका क्या है, डिग्री है उसी पॉलिनॉमियल की. ये है वन वेरिएबल वाले पॉलिनॉमियल्स की बात. इफ़ अ वेरिएबल हैविंग टू और मोर वेरिएबल्स, then we are going to add up all the parts within the first term, second term and the third term. ये हम डिस्कस करते हैं आगे. अभी हम इन वेरिएबल्स को देख लेते हैं विद वन वेरिएबल पॉलिनॉमियल्स के साथ डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनॉमियल क्या होगी. इन द फर्स्ट वेरिएबल हेयर यू have seen that it is just 6 over there, so it can be written as 6x raised to the power 0. X, as we know that x raised to the power 0 is equal to 1. So it will again be equal to 6. So it is, here you can see that the power of the variable, one variable is there and the power of the variable is 0. So the degree of the polynomial is 0. Again in the second one you can see here the degree of the polynomial will be what? 1, as it has x raised to the power 0 and it has x raised to the power 1. So the which is the highest one? 1 is the highest one. So the degree of the polynomial will be 1 here. It is the quadratic equation, and here just one variable with power square with power 2. So the degree of the polynomial will be 2. And the cubic equation, here its power is 1, 2 is its power is 2. Here in this term the variable have power cube. So this is called the degree of the polynomial will be 3, and this is called cubic equation. Here the degree of the polynomial, this is the largest one. Here the degree of the polynomial will be 4. Here having x raised per 0, 1, 2 and 5. So the degree of the polynomial, the largest one is 5. So the degree of the polynomial is 5. In fourth one, polynomial having degree 4, because term x square is equal to sum of the exponent is equal to 4. This is the equation where you are getting confused. Like when we are having variable 2 or more variables, then we are going to concentrate on the single term, one term, first term, second term, third term, and this is fourth term. In the first term, the x, we are going to add up all the exponents, जो भी उनकी पार्स हैं. लाइक मेरे पास एक्स स्क्वायर और वाई स्क्वायर में पार क्या है? 2 and 2. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड दिस 2 plus 2, that will be 4. In this term just 3 is there, in this term 2, in this term 0. So 2 plus 2, that is equal to 4 is the degree of the polynomial. I hope you are getting it. अच्छा, अब नेक्स्ट में आप देखिए, इन द नेक्स्ट वन यू कैन सी दैट द पॉलिनोमियल हैविंग डिग्री 5, हाउ इट इज़ 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So the degree of the polynomial is 5. Here just one variable is having, so the degree of the polynomial is 1. Degree of the term in the polynomial is the sum of the exponent on the variable in the single term. Means we have to concentrate where 2 or more variables are involved. We have to concentrate on the single term, and we are going to add up or sum up the exponents on the variable. ऑफ द सिंगल टर्म्स, तमाम टर्म्स के, एक सिंगल टर्म के तमाम वेरिएबल्स के एक्सपोनेंट्स को ऐड कर लेते हैं और उनमें जो लार्जेस्ट होता है वो क्या होती है, डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल होती है। अच्छा जी, सम रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं इससे। लाइक इन द, दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, दिस इज द सेकंड टर्म and this is the third term. In the first term, exponents are 5, 3 and 1. In the second one, it is 1 and 3. In the third one, it is 2 plus 1 and 2. So 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 and this is 5. So what is the largest one? For 9 is the largest one, so it is called degree of polynomial is equal to 9. Fine, degree of the polynomial is equal to 9. Okay ji, another question is polynomial we I have, it is the one variable, it is this polynomial have one variable 5y square 8y and minus 6. ठीक है, 5y square it is having exponent square, it is having exponent 1, it is having exponent x plus 0 is equal to minus 6 ही होता है, तो exponent 0. Fine. So the degree of one single term 1 टर्म की डिग्री 2 है, सेकंड टर्म की डिग्री 1 है एंड थर्ड टर्म की डिग्री 0 है. फिर मुझे देखना है इस पूरी सिंगल एक एक टर्म की देखी मैंने और उनमें से देखना है व्हाट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट वन. इसकी 2 थी, इसकी 1 एंड इसकी द डिग्री ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल इज 2, द लार्जेस्ट वन. फाइन. अब हम इससे रिलेटेड एक और एग्जांपल कर लेते हैं. x6 y2 and z4 plus x12 and y7 plus z18. So the first term, as I told you that in the first term we have, first of all we are going to take the first term and add all the powers. Here the x has 6 power, y has 2 and z has 4. So we are, first of all we are going to add up all the variables exponents. So it will be 12 plus 7, 12 plus 7, 19, and here it's having, it's have just one exponent, that is 18. So 18. What is the largest one here? The largest one is 19. So the degree of the polynomial must be 19. Simple.